Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are your videos not playing in your Android phone gallery? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix gallery video not playing problem. Follow my step by step properly. Now let's start the video. At first, go to your phone settings. Scroll down little bit. Tap on apps. Tap on search bar. Search for gallery. Tap on gallery. Scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache and clear data. Tap on delete. Go back. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. And now scroll up. Tap on permissions. Make sure all permission is enabled. OK. Go back. Tap on 3-line menu. Tap on reset app preference. Tap on reset option. Go back to home screen. And now restart your device. Okay, that's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.